Before we get in today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Minecraft dimension. And I know what you guys are probably thinking, how can you head to the Minecraft dimension when you're already in Minecraft? Well, I'm going to attempt to head to the Minecraft dimension while being in Minecraft. Yeah, I know it's pretty crazy, guys, but what you're going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need Tim Brown wool, place 2 of them just like that. Then you're going to need furline wool, place 1 of those on each side just like that, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and jump on up, and then you want to place 1, 2, 3 brown wool, and then you just want to go ahead and you want to place 1 lime wool on top. Now you just want to go ahead and jump on down, and then you want to place 1, 2, 3 brown wool on this side, 2 brown wool in the middle, and then 1 lime wool on the edge, guys. Now you can just go ahead and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to light this baby up with your flint and steel. Boom! Wow, don't that look absolutely amazing, guys? That looks so amazing. That would definitely make me want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button, guys. But now it's time to go ahead and head to the Minecraft dimension while at the same time being in Minecraft. And oh my gosh! Whoa! Where are we at, guys? Are we like in space or something? Oh my god, look at those 2 little things of water down there. Wow, this is insane. And oh my god, there goes my pig. Now he's probably like surfing in the void or something, guys. Wow, this is amazing. This has to be one of the most amazing dimensions I've ever seen in my whole life, guys. Let's go ahead. Let's head on in, guys. What kind of space Minecraft type thing are these guys running around here? Let me go ahead and try to put this villager into the void. Come on, villager. Boom! Oh, wow. I guess he won't be surfing in the void. But what are you villagers doing? Oh, my God. They must be like the kings of Minecraft or something, guys. And oh, my God, they have 3 wolves. Whoa, guys. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. Let's go ahead and head on up this staircase, guys, and see what's going on up here. And whoa, look at this big, like it's all glass. It has a glass chandelier, guys. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool, guys. Like, this is absolutely amazing. And oh my god, do they have a minecart out there? Oh my god, I can actually ride around. Whoa, we gotta do this, guys. We gotta do this. I would absolutely beat somebody up if this was just like a pro and it actually just like took me off into the void. I actually better stop right here, guys, because the last thing I want to do is like run out of frack or something and then I just go into the void. Like, I'd be so upset if that happened, guys. But wow, this place is amazing. But now it's time to go ahead and head on in to the basement, guys. Let's go ahead and see what's going on down here. And oh my god! Whoa! Oh my god, it's Faceless Steve's! Oh my god, this must be where they bring all the glitches. Oh my god, don't come at me, Steve! Oh my god, he's faceless, guys. Oh my god, don't beat up on me, guys. Oh my god, whoa! Oh my god, I just tried to beat up on them, but I accidentally took out a villager. Oh my god, whoa! They're all teaming up on me, guys. They're all teaming up on me. It ain't my fault that your guys' face glitched out of the game. I didn't do that to you guys. Oh my god, they're beating up on me so bad right now, guys. Oh my god, stop it, Faceless Steve. It don't even look right. Oh my god, you know what? I'm going to have to go ahead. I'm going to have to put some TNT down and take these guys out the only way I know how to, guys, because they got like superhuman strength. They also can jump pretty high, guys. They can jump pretty high. You know what? I'm going to have to go ahead and place the TNT down, guys. We're going to have to blow all of these guys up. Oh my god, I cannot believe they're doing this to me right now. And oh my god, he's trying to come at me. He's trying to fight me. I don't even want to fight you, bro. I don't even want to fight you. Oh my god, guys. Let's just go ahead and place all this TNT down, guys. Let's place it all down. I'm about to blow them up. I'm about to blow them up sky high, guys. I am about to blow them up sky high. They must have, like, super health or something, guys, because it seems like they don't die from anything. Oh, my God, no! I'm falling into the void! Oh, my God! Oh my god, they made me fall into the void. Wow, I cannot believe they made me do that. Wow. I'm going to have to respawn, guys. Alright, guys. I came back into the dimension. And wow, I cannot believe what happened last time. They will never do that to me again. And they better understand that. If they try to do it to me again, I'll have to punch them, guys. I will have to punch them. And oh my god, some of them still survived. That's what I'm talking about, guys. They have like superhuman strength. Like nobody can survive that kind of stuff. Like, oh my god, no! No, back off me, bro. Oh my god, they're still trying to fight me. No, no! I got nowhere to go. Guys. Oh my god, I sent him off into the void, though. And oh my god, they killed me. But at least I got him to fall off into the void. But you know what? I'm going to have to respawn again. Wow, guys, I cannot believe that. At least this time, I took one of them out. Successfully. Did you guys see him go flying off into the void? That was absolutely amazing, guys. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, make sure to smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.